folks, Rod with RK Auto Detailing, and we're back here Friday evening in the shop and getting ready to get jumping on this Ram. We have to do a cut polish and just a paint sealant. That should go quick. I just wanted to go over and survey the truck as I usually do, point out some things that from afar it looks great, up close, and like I said, just be transparent. This is my vehicle. People have made comments, and I said I'm not going to put a ceramic coat on it, and you'll see why as we peruse around this vehicle. So we're going to start back here, and I've already got, as you can see, scuff marks. That is from the golf cart, the back seat armrest. So I'm hoping that's going to come out. That's been there since last year. I've got scratches there. As you can see right there, those are some pretty good scratches. And as I grab the light here, as you can see, there's just some yeah, there you go. So I've got a lot of those throughout the truck. I believe this side, yeah, right here, I have a dent, and that's right there. A crease, golf cart there. That's from just getting camping gear in and out of the side of the truck. Now I've got a dent and a deep, that's a body shop. That's down in the paint. Another one there. I think I got one more dent back here. Maybe not. So, and then, yeah, I got scuff marks. See the scuff marks there to there? That's from backing up and being too close to these, and these are rubbing on it. So, that's why this is going in the barn, because yeah, you can see all through there, all the way down. And you don't see that stuff till you get up close, but that's the kayaks. So, and then a lot of scratches up through there from getting camp gear in and out. So I want to bring this into light. It's a black truck, and I'm hoping that if people see this and they say, hey, you know, I got a black truck, which a lot of guys like black trucks, but this is the downfall of having it. See if I can find any more. The scuff marks go longer than I thought. So hopefully they come out. And that's the interior. All that ceramic is nice and dried and set up nice. So I want to say the passenger side doors and everything are good. The hood up here, though, does have a boatload of scratches, especially up across the main cowl there. And there. But there's some there. Yep, you can see it now. I'm just getting it in the right angle. But that hood is another one. The hood and the box sides are my main concerns right now. I've got a couple scratches here and here. And I think that's when the grill was replaced, because this isn't the OEM grill. It was taken out. Probably when it got wrecked, it was taken out and these inserts were put in. The front bumper has got some pits, so I'd like to clean those up so they at least don't show any rust coming back through the pits. The driver's door, I know there's a spot there, and I believe that was it. So that's there, and there's some scratches from tree branches and that up on the roof. I'm going to take the tonneau cover off and get standing up there so the roof will get cut and polished. But that's it. So the truck does get used. Just seeing, oh yeah, there's another dent. You can see it. Yeah, you could see it right there. So like I said, a dentless guy, maybe to clean those out. I really don't want to, for what I use it for, and it's sitting inside mainly. I think those are just smudge marks. They are. I know this truck. I'm being the owner. It doesn't get driven in the winter, so no salt gets on it, and it's only driven in the summer and usually just the weekends to go down to a 2-hour drive to our property where the camper's at and go work on RVs. But I take it out for the drive, and basically this also pulls a camper if I need to move it and all. Other than that, I don't need to drive it daily. I don't have a necessity for it, as I got my daily. So one more time around. Any questions? Suggestions, comments, or anything like that? Hey, they're welcomed. Let's, open that up. And I like to hear other people's feedback. So there is one more dent right there, and I think that was because it's parked over there, and I think one of those items fell and bumped on it. I do want to take this off, and they have a stubby one, like from here. I don't use the radio, but just to keep the antenna on there, so to get this is all faded out. I can use the trim restore, but for that little bit, I'd rather just get rid of this long antenna and just put a stubby, because it always hits my the header on the garage. So that's that. The underside, everything came out good. Very pleased with that. I crawled under there before I filmed here. So the wife did bring up, she's going to watch as we go into the Christmas sales, like the Black Friday after Thanksgiving. If that cover should come on sale, she agrees because of some of the stuff. I just like to have something when I lock that box, it's more secured than that soft cover. And that, when I do get that cover, it's for a 6'4" bed on these Rams. Basically the 6 foot something. Yeah, I think it's 6'4". That'll be for sale. If anybody's interested, raise your hand and see who comes first, who comes second. First come, first serve on, and make me an offer. So, nope, other than that, this should be pretty easy. Just kick the Bluetooth speakers on. This is my happy place to where when I can get the polish and bring out all the flaws and make it look better. So just wanted to give you a quick view of that. And this is Friday. I will be on it tomorrow, and I will film as I go and just shoot. And I'm just going to upload them after I film them. I'm not going to do any special editing and all that jazz. I don't think there's any necessity for that. But especially the main points I pointed out, I'm going to get those filmed as I process into them, through them, and after them, basically, and see how that turns out. Just want to bring you folks along. And like I said, if you're happy with it and you have a black truck, I've got one customer that's looking to be bringing a Silverado in here in November. So this will give him a chance to see what I do with my truck. And so give him more. He's already commissioned me for the job, but I want to reassure him that, hey, this is going to look good on yours. So anyhow, folks, thanks for dropping in. And if you could, please like, share, and subscribe. The big thing is to subscribe to the channel, because I'd like to be out here like on a Friday evening like this and just come out live and get the live chat going and be able to have discussions on anything we're doing. You know, right now, things are slow in our economy, so I am not giving up on this business. This is the one and only business I have that's physical, excuse me, outside of driving truck. And I've got other businesses, but they're more online, more non-physical work. But I have a desire to do this. I like taking and bringing restoring or bringing a car to like new again, and it's very fulfilling and satisfying. So, anyhow, folks, we'll talk later. RK Auto Detailing.